Hello everyone, welcome to the session of early learning environment, especially with regard to indoor. I am Dr. Ramya Bhaskar, Assistant Professor, Department of Human Development, Avinashalingam Institute for Home Science and Higher Education for Women, Coimbatore. Before I start about indoor early learning environment, let us see what is learning environment. Child's early learning plays a very important role in the early childhood education as well as development. The environment is referred to as the third teacher after parents and educators because of its significance in early learning. The combination of the space and framework in which a child grows, develops and learns can be termed as learning environment, which can be indoor or outdoor. When setting up an indoor learning environment, one should be aware of the fact that a child spends major part of the day indoors. Therefore, it is necessary that one should have the clarity about what they want from the indoor setting and how they are going to set it. Consequently, some questions to be asked and answered to be clear enough. What resources are available? How to set up those resources? What is expected of children to learn? How to make them learn? How to set up the environment in a beneficial way? How to engage children? Hence, a setup to stimulate holistic development of the child is important. A good setup props up the child through activities and provides hands-on experience that stimulates the holistic development, a combination of physical, emotional, social and cognitive. With this backdrop, the module on setting up of the indoor learning environment will be taken further by understanding the following points. The first one is organizing early indoor learning environment, under which we are going to see about play areas, arrangement of play materials, caregiving area for group activities, areas for quiet time to calm down or privacy, storage and display area. Subsequently, learning spaces in an indoor setup, provocation for engagement in learning, age-appropriate materials and equipments. In this session, the learning outcomes would be, you would be able to recognize the concept of learning environment and the importance of indoor learning environment, comprehend the need for setting up of an indoor learning environment for holistic development of children, and also review the resources available and how to use them to set up a stimulating indoor learning environment. The importance of designing early learning environment is very important, and it is influenced by the teachers, facilitators, instructors' attitudes, beliefs, values and way of teaching. For example, if it is believed that children need consistency when the set may not be changed except for replacing or exchanging some toys and puzzles based on children's interest. If it is believed that by habitual changes in the setup of indoor environment stimulates children and keeps children occupied, rearrangement can be made regularly. Supporting and sustaining a child's holistic development holds the topmost priority when setting up a learning environment as per the program and curriculum. Hence, it is important to set up the indoor learning environment by providing space for play, construction or production, creation, library, group activity and settling down or calm areas. It is well understood that play and exploratory or investigative learning with first-hand experience promotes child's holistic development. Along with these areas, it is important for a facilitator to set up the indoor learning environment by keeping in mind the child's needs and interests, as well as to encourage self-help skills like placing water bottles, snacking or eating area, mats, hygiene area, etc. An indoor early learning environment is very significant. It's a place where all learning experience takes place. It's a place where children feel safe and secured, and it's a place that can be monitored easily for health and safety from potential hazards by facilitating a safe, sound and harmless learning environment. The components of a setting up of early learning environment are many and vast. However, there are few vital dots to be followed on to make a sketch of to be features in an early indoor learning environment to help along the way in setting up. To set up an early indoor learning environment, the space and furnishings comes together, which has to be custom made to fulfill the needs of developing children as they require continuous monitoring, guidance and exciting experiences at this stage of rapid growth and development. The first thing is play area. Bearing in mind the material space of play area, a space has to be designed such that it is not too packed neither too open. Children in their growing up years need adequate and shielded space to achieve the abilities and skills through free movements. At this early childhood age, children are mobile. They would want to investigate and explore the space around them and learn to walk, run, roll, crawl, dance, jump, hop, etc. It is important that the play area should be accommodative for both active and quiet play such as building blocks, solving puzzles, etc. The indoor play area that is well planned and executed will be organized to provide both physical and mental stimulation as well as maintain both individual and group play. Play space should be well planned and prepared to arrange play materials. When arranging play materials, it is important to make it child friendly, meaning it should be structured well so that it is easy for the children to know where the things are and where to put them away. One should think about making separate or different areas or corners or centers for each kind of play. Now, there are a few tips to arrange play materials. The first one is the specific time for the play. The time schedule can be made in such a way that the child gets a chance to explore every kind of play in a week. For example, a timetable where a specified time is given to explore and experience two kinds of play in their daily schedule. The second one is a specific place. The child should get a specific place to sit comfortably and play with a mat, pillow or a cushion would be supportive. It would be more loved if a place for displaying child's name or a picture so that the child feels happy to find their names and pictures in that particular play area, and it would be a kind of indication for the children to understand that it is this play that they are supposed to play for that day. So, this can be on rotation for all the children during their playtime. This setup will help children to cultivate a habit to find and identify their names or pictures in a play space and start to play with whatever they are assigned with for that day. Next one is areas of play in indoor can be very stimulating for the child's overall development. It includes various activities such as block play for building constructing, dramatic play with dolls, stuffed toys, etc. Sensory activities where there is application, judgments, thinking, art and crafts with creativity, with painting, sticking, mapping, etc. Fine motor activity with lacing, buttoning, sorting activities, puzzles, etc. Gross motor activity with space for riding toy vehicles, climbing, balancing. Reading area with a quiet, calm and a relaxed atmosphere with pillows or armchairs, bookshelves according to child's accessibility with age-appropriate books. And writing area with appropriate materials for writing, notepads, paper, slate and chalk, pencils, along with comfortable furniture like small table with chairs, and a free play and resting area with soft toys and stuffed toys. In this session, we have learnt about the concept of learning environment as well as the concept of indoor learning environment and its importance. The need for setting up of indoor learning environment for holistic development of children was also looked into. The session also highlighted upon how to use the available resources to set up an indoor learning environment with reference to play areas, arrangement of play area, and also some tips on how to design a stimulating indoor play area. Thank you.